So, Toothbrush, you're supposed to need lots of something for vegetable or snack. Plums? No, eggplants. I get it.
Guys, you're gonna be late for school.
Ah, shoot. Well, don't worry, Marty. I'll take care of you. Toothbrush? That was good to me. Sorry, I
Now
just
sit
hit
down.
you.
Sit down or you're getting detention.
Okay.
Right there. Okay, now, I am your math teacher, Mr. Mamboni.
True
Now-
fact.
What is 1? No, what is 6 times 1?
6. 24.
You get an A, because
Yeah.
you didn't raise your hand, but you don't have any hands, so A+. And you get a D-.
Why?
Because 24 isn't the answer. Ugh.
I can't find out the answer. Then use your hand.
Okay, now we're moving on to health. I'll be back.
Where is the teacher? I don't know. Am I eating plums still? I'm a plum elephant. Shh, we'll see. If someone gives you an eggplant or a plum, it's your choice. Stop with your attitude.
Hello, guys. My name's Tom Brady, and I am your health teacher.
Why are we running?
Oh, well, we're learning health, of course. Now, come down here. What's this first red fruit right here? You. Zebra.
Tomato. Pepperoni.
Okay, you wrong, you right.
Ah, sweet.
Now, what is this green thing right there?
Peppers. Apple.
Correct, apple.
Yeah.
Wrong, it is not an elephant. Now, what is this right here?
Eggplant. Plums.
No, it is not a plum. Okay, your total score is an F-.
What?
Your total score
Elephants.
A+.
I'm a Republican. Republican elephants don't get F-minuses.
Okay then. Now let's move on to gym. I'll be right back.
What are we gonna do at gym? I don't know. Can we do some stretching? I hate stretching. Well, me too, because we are not be stretched.
Hola, amigo.
Who are you? Yeah, who are you?
My name is Mario Vrangrino. Oui, bonjour. Comment ça va? Aujourd'hui avec moi.
I don't know. Maybe he's not too crazy.
Now, drop and give me 10. You too, elephant.
I'm Toothbrush.
I don't care. Now, drop and give me 10.
Fine, whatever. Oh, I
Okay.
hate the
so-
stretch.
Ugh, what is that thing over there? Okay, so now do some yoga. Okay? Now.
This is the elephant trunk twists. 1, 2, 3,
Get to work.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay,
How's
good.
that?
Now
That
you're
was
gonna have
bad.
to. Now you're gonna have to go to acting class.
Who's our acting teacher today? I don't know. Something brand new to tell.
Oh my God! Hey man, my name's Captain Hook.
Captain Hook, are you there?
No,
Man.
I'm dead. This is
Are
so
you
hard.
there? Because you're
God.
late.
I'm late for my own class.
I get it. You look like Captain Feathersword.
No, I am Captain Hook.
I get
Okay,
it. Captain
so now-
Feathersword is from the Wiggles, get it?
So, I am your acting teacher. As you can see, I am acting. So, yes, I am a pirate right now. Now, give me your best ahoy, matey.
Ahoy there, me hearties. Ho ho ho.
Okay, you get a B, you get an A.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Now, give me your best R.
Arg. Arg.
What's yours?
Arg.
Uh,
Arg.
A
Oh.
plus.
Sweet. Let's go.
Okay, now see you later. Now you're gonna have lunch. Ugh. Hi guys, my name's Kermit. I'm gonna be your lunch lady or lunch man. Let's see. Pick your fruit that you want.